Setting up your Steam account after signing up is essential to start enjoying your gaming experience. Follow these steps to complete your setup effectively. Step 1. Download and install Steam. Visit the official Steam website and download the Steam client for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Step 2. Log into your account. After installation, launch the Steam client. Enter your newly created account credentials, username and password to log in. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Step 3. Set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Here, you can customize your profile by adding a profile picture, writing a bio, and adjusting privacy settings to control who can see your activity in games. Step 4. Add payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Explore and download games. Now that your account is set up, browse the Steam store to find games you want to play. You can search for specific titles or explore categories. Once you find a game, click on it and select the option to purchase or download it. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Now you're all set to enjoy your gaming experience on Steam. Happy gaming!